So we talked a little bit previously about the fiscal year. Here let's cover it a little bit better. The fiscal year is the calendar you use to figure your yearly budget, and that also helps you determine when you file tax forms, you get audited, and when you officially close your books. For most businesses, like 65 to 70% of business, the fiscal year is January 1st to December 31st of every year. For the federal government, October 1st to September 30th. A lot of state agencies and nonprofits, it's July 1 to June 30th. Again, as we mentioned previously, for most school systems, it's August 1st through July 31st. Here we have a sample budget cycle. This is based on the fiscal year of January 1st through December 31st for the fiscal year. This is just to kind of show you the continuous process that it takes in formulating and evaluating and assessing your budget. Here we present a couple of common issues and concerns related to the budget process. The first is, make sure that your budget preparation calendar makes sense for the type of business that you are conducting. The second, make sure that every item in your budget has a good estimate of the amount of money it's going to take to make that happen. Having a budget that's too padded or too lean may not help you. Third, think about the frequency of using zero-based budgeting. While it may be nice every so often to think about and justify the expenses in your budget, the use of zero-based budgeting takes a lot of time and energy. Next, do you spend this year to receive the next? Think about it. So here you are, you've arrived. You're ready to create and work with a budget document. Let me give you some helpful advice. First, lay out the figures in a useful format for you. 2. Compare your total expenses to your total income. If your projected expenses and income are about equal, then your budget is balanced. Step 3. If your budget is balanced, you still have to make sure that you can use the money in the ways that you need to use the money. Make sure that you have a little bit of flexibility. Step 4. If you have a surplus, be aware that it might not show up as far as cash until the end of the coming fiscal year. So we thought it'd be useful to help you out with some resources. Best thing to do is get on the internet and investigate and do some research. Some good places to look is the Alliance for Nonprofit Management, the Management Assistant Program for Nonprofits, Business Budget, and Closing Your Books. These will help you out as you begin your process of the budget cycle with your new small business.